How does Waifu Kilia sound? Hi, honey. Welcome home. I know you've had a long day at work, so I made you some beans on toast. I hope you like it. I didn't burn it this time, so that's a W. Pog. Hey, you wanna maybe, do the dishes? Cause I'm too tired. I'm gonna go take a nap right now. You will? Okay, awesome. I'm gonna go have a nap. Make sure you come join me and give me lots of cuddles and a kiss on the forehead, okay? And don't look at the dribble that's that's dribbling down my mouth, cause that's embarrassing, and I will punch you in the face. Okay, love you. Bye. How's that sound?